Welcome to our boat tour. Before we show you the boat, I'd just like to introduce myself. I'm Matthew, and with my wife Stella, we are the owners of Narrowboat, Noggin The Nog. Like many others during lockdown, we became bored of regular TV and turned to YouTube for some entertainment. I don't know how it happened. Someone in YouTube Towers must have just thought, oh, hang on a minute, here's a middle-aged couple who've been watching Gone Fishing. Let's show them cruising the cut. I'm sure they'll like that. And then, as they say, the rest is history. We suddenly found ourselves in the world of canals. Phrases such as cruiser stern, well deck and gongoozler became a regular part of our vocabulary. In July 2021, we began our search for our own narrowboat. We've been told by people on Twitter that it could take years to find one, and after you've found one, it could take months to get a surveyor and some engineers to work on the boat. We knew it was going to be a long time until we could find our perfect boat. We booked a viewing at Mercia Marina to look at 3 narrowboats. We had the list, like everybody does, of all the things we wanted. Reverse layout, Pullman dinette, satellite TV, remote control parking, all the things you expect to find on a modern narrowboat. However, as is often the case, you never really know what you want until you see it. And when we saw it, we knew we wanted it. The narrowboat, Noggin The Nog. As soon as we set foot on it, it just felt like ours. It felt like this was our boat. It wasn't a reverse layout. It didn't have a Pullman dinette, and it had purple kitchen, which is just not us at all. However, there was just something about it that made us want it. Well, we left a cheeky bid, not really expecting it to be accepted, and we set off to Lidl for cheer ourselves up with a Portuguese tartlet. Now, if you've never been to Lidl and ate their Portuguese tartlet, you've never lived. So, there I am, pushing the trolley up past all the screwdrivers, wrench sets and disposable nappies, and the phone rang. Our offer had been accepted. The boat was ours, subject to survey, which we knew that was going to take a long time. I was given a list of surveyors that I could contact and arrange for them to survey the boat, thinking this would take months. 2 days later, the surveyor was there. By the Saturday, the keys were in my hand and the boat was ours. It had taken a week. So that's it. There was no drama, there was no heartache, there were no crying tears of despair when we couldn't get our dream boat. I'd planned months, years of YouTube video after YouTube video with all the despair of trying to buy a narrowboat. And within a week we had one. So there you have it. Right, sit back, relax, and I'll show you around our narrowboat, Noggin The Nog. Welcome to our narrowboat, Noggin The Nog. Here she is. Since buying her, we have added a couple of extra bits. Those 2 solar panels you can see there, a centre line, which is just on the screen right now, and also a 4G router and receiver, which is there in the corner. The boat was called Noggin The Nog when we bought her. The name Noggin The Nog is a little Viking character from a children's TV programme that started in the 1950s, way before I was born. We're currently at Mercia Marina, and we're very conveniently moored right next to the diesel. Let's have a look inside then. Oh look, who can I spy on the rug? This is the saloon area. You come in from a well deck straight into it. We've got relative comforts in here, including this log burner multi-fuel stove, which whacks out a lot of heat and can heat the entire boat. We've recently purchased this sofa bed from Sofa Bed Barn, which folds out so we can have visitors come to stay. But these 2 seem to think it belongs to them. Doris and Jerry. Doris is a Shih Tzu Jack Russell Cross. Jerry, we have no idea, but we do know he's Romanian. I don't speak a word of Romanian, so he tends to ignore me most of the time. We've taken the Noggin The Nog theme on the inside as well as keeping the name on the outside. We found some pictures on eBay which we're displaying on the wall here. There's some from the TV programme, some characters of Noggin The Nog. The boat itself is bamboo mainly on the inside, going from that east-west theme. New kettle there, looking very shiny. Hasn't been used very often because at the moment we're just spending most weekends on the boat doing jobs and making it more to our taste. 3 burners there, and our brand new, very exciting grill and oven, which you may have seen on previous videos. The cupboards are pretty sleek, not to our taste, but we've managed to fill them with our usual junk. And all the drawers slide open like most drawers do and contain things like knives, forks and spoons. Who knew? We've also installed a new fridge, which is 12 volt, hoping that it's going to take less power than the 230 volt one that was there before. We've added a bamboo to go with the theme, bread bin, and some containers, nice little rainbow salt and pepper shakers there, and the obviously most used item on the whole boat, the wine glasses. Viewers of Minimalists will recognise the map that we've also put on the wall. So, into the bathroom. Bathroom has a Thetford cassette toilet, there it is in all its splendour, and a nice, quite big shower area. A lot of room in there with a nice slidey door. Go on, open the door for us. There we go. Slides itself in, and there is a tap, and there's where the water goes, down the sink. Again, who knew? We're still getting through our toilet roll from the great toilet roll rush of 2020. A nice sink with a mirror and some little toiletries there. This leads off into the bedroom area at the back of the boat, which has central heating. There's a few steps up there which lead you out into the cruiser stern. We've got a few little cupboards. It's not huge, but it suits us. We're able to fit most of our clothes for a weekend or a long holiday.